Today, we will be comparing four popular code editors for JavaScript development: Sublime Text, Atom, Visual Studio Code, and WebStorm. These editors were ranked by the subscribers in a recent poll, and we'll be deep diving into each one to help you decide which editor is right for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell to receive notifications on the latest content. Now let's get started. First up, we have Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a lightweight, fast and highly customizable text editor that's been a favourite for developers for years. So let's discuss some of its pros and cons. So some of its pros are speed and performance. Sublime Text is known for its speed, making it perfect for developers who work with large code bases or simply value a responsive editor. It has a large amount of customizability. With an extensive package ecosystem, you can tailor Sublime Text to your needs. It also has distraction-free mode, so you can stay focused with a minimalistic, clutter-free interface. So let's talk about some of its cons. It has a cost. Unlike other editors we'll discuss today, Sublime Text requires a one-time license fee. It also has limited native support for JavaScript. You'll need to install third-party packages for JavaScript-specific features like linting and auto-completion. I would say this is ideal for immediate to advanced developers who value speed and customization and don't mind paying for it. Drop a comment below and let me know how you use Sublime Editor in your JavaScript development. Next, we have Atom, the open source text editor developed by GitHub. With a strong community focus, Atom offers a wide range of features for JavaScript developers. Let's take a look at a few pros and cons for this piece of software. So some of the pros are its extensibility. With a vast selection of plugins and packages, Atom can be easily customized to fit your needs. It also has GitHub integration. Seamless integration with GitHub makes collaboration and version control a breeze. It also has a built-in package manager. Easily search and install and manage packages inside the editor. Let's now have a look at a few cons. Its performance. Atom can be slow and resource intensive, especially when working with large files or projects. There's a steeper learning curve. The sheer number of features and customization options can be overwhelming for new visitors. I would say this is ideal for intermediate developers who enjoy community-driven software and are willing to trade some performance for greater extensibility. Are you an Atom user? Let me know in the comments which packages you can't live without. In our poll, Visual Studio Code came out as a top choice for JavaScript editing. This powerful and feature-rich editor has quickly gained popularity among developers. So let's discuss some of its pros and cons. One of the pros is IntelliSense. VSE has a built-in IntelliSense providing smart auto-completion, syntax highlighting, and real-time error checking for JavaScript. It also has a large extensibility. With a vast range of extensions from the marketplace, you can customize VSE to suit your development needs. It has built-in Git integration, so you can manage your code versioning and repositories directly from the editor. Some cons though would be performance. While not as resource heavy as Atom, VSE can still be slow at times, particularly on the lower end hardware. VST also has more complex settings. Customizing VST can be a bit more challenging due to its extensive settings and configurations. I would say this is ideal for developers for all skill levels who are wanting powerful and feature-rich editor with excellent JavaScript support directly out of the box. Visual Studio Code users, share your favorite extension and productivity tips in the comments below. Last but not least, we have WebStorm, the JavaScript IDE from JetBrains. WebStorm is designed specifically for JavaScript developers and comes packed with features to streamline your workflow. So let's look at the pros and cons. Some of the pros for this piece of software are powerful JavaScript support. WebStorm offers an excellent code completion, navigation, and refactoring tools for JavaScript, as well as built-in support for modern frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. It also has integrated tools. WebStorm includes a built-in debugger, test runner, and version control system, making it a one-stop shop for your development needs. It also includes a smart coding assistant. The IDE learns from your code and provides relevant suggestions, saving you time and effort. Now, some cons. There's a big cost. WebStorm requires a subscription, making it a more expensive option compared to the other free editors we've discussed. It's also very resource intensive. WebStorm can be heavy on system resources, which may affect performance on lower end machines. I would say this is ideal for intermediate to advanced JavaScript developers who want a dedicated IDE and are willing to invest in a subscription for the added features and support. WebStorm users, tell me your favourite features and how it's improved your development processes in the comments. Now that we've gone through the pros and cons of each editor, it's time for you to choose the one that fits your needs and skill level. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, and it's important to pick the tool that helps you be most productive. To wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these editors. You can still vote in the poll, the link is in the description. And if you use a different developer that's not mentioned in the video, please leave a comment and tell me about it. Lastly, if you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated to the latest content. Thank you for watching and happy coding.